So my name is Justin Graves with Composite Deck Shop in Peterborough. We've been working with RF Transparent for the last little while, between ourselves from a retail perspective, as well as our contracting customers and the end user, the homeowners. We've had nothing but a great experience working with RF, from the timing and availability. The contractors love the product from an ease of installation and price points that we're able to work with. And the homeowners have absolutely been over the moon happy with the end result. It is by far the most beautiful railing product on the market, bar none. It's beautiful, it's stunning. It is the absolute icing on their proverbial deck cake. It really elevates their settings, the environment, the outdoor space that they're trying to create. They love how easy it is to install for the DIYers. For our contractor base, they're exceptionally happy with the product, the way it's packaged and the way it installs to the end result, the way it looks. It is just an absolute beautiful product, and I have had nothing but rave reviews from customers about it. You guys were a game changer for us. So in the past, when we were putting these systems together for customers, we were relying on ourselves to map out and kind of calculate which panels are best to use, or the spacings, to set it all up. The software program, the online software program that you guys have for mapping the jobs out, makes it a thoughtless process. We have had to replace, because of human error, panels with our previous supplier. That has not happened. We have been able to hit 100% accuracy using your software. So for us, number one, it was a huge game changer just having that software program. But then your turnaround time, nearly instantaneous, and we know that we can put an order in and run out to town to grab it in 2 to 3 days. It really makes a huge difference. We were waiting up to 2 weeks before for our panels, and to be able to put orders together for customers. So to be able to turn things around in 4 or 5 days, absolute max, cut our turnaround time down in half, and really it makes it a lot easier for us to get the material out to the customers, which a turnaround time is probably our biggest selling feature.